Welcome back to HB Car Review, where we bring you the most exciting and detailed automotive insights from around the world. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a luxurious blend of Swedish design, advanced technology, and road trip freedom. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the world in comfort and style, this motorhome might just be your next big adventure partner. Let's start with the exterior, because this thing is a real head-turner on the road. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome carries that signature Scandinavian elegance, clean lines, and modern minimalism that Volvo is famous for. The front fascia is bold yet refined, with Volvo's signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights and a large chrome-accented grille that gives it a strong road presence. The body is built with lightweight yet durable aluminum composite panels, improving both aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The sleek side mirrors come with integrated cameras, replacing traditional mirrors for better visibility. The overall design isn't just about looks, it's smartly engineered for practicality. The retractable awning on the side, LED ambient exterior lighting, and large panoramic windows make it feel like a luxury suite on wheels. There's even a rooftop solar panel setup for eco-friendly energy use, which is perfect for long off-grid adventures. The motorhome sits on Volvo's adaptive air suspension system, which automatically adjusts to road conditions for maximum comfort and stability, whether you're on the highway or parked in the mountains. Now stepping inside, you're greeted by a truly luxurious interior that feels more like a five-star apartment than a vehicle. Volvo has taken inspiration from Scandinavian home design, simple, elegant, and functional. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, natural wood trims, soft Nappa leather seats, and brushed aluminum accents. The large windows flood the interior with natural light, creating a calm and spacious atmosphere. The living area features a comfortable L-shaped sofa that converts into an extra sleeping space, while the dining table is electronically adjustable for convenience. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped, with an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, and even a dishwasher, everything designed to maximize space without sacrificing usability. Moving to the rear, you get a spacious bedroom with a queen-size memory foam bed, ample storage space, and soft ambient lighting that makes it feel cozy and relaxing. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, ceramic toilet, and a touchscreen mirror with built-in lighting and Bluetooth speakers, all designed to make you feel at home on the road. Up front, the cockpit is pure Volvo innovation. The driver's seat offers 16-way adjustability with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The massive 15-inch vertical infotainment touchscreen integrates Volvo's latest infotainment system, offering navigation, voice commands, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. You also get a fully digital instrument cluster and a head-up display that projects navigation and speed directly onto the windshield. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it's powered by a 3.0-liter hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor. Together, they produce around 450 horsepower, plenty for a vehicle of this size. The hybrid system allows smooth acceleration and impressive torque delivery even on steep inclines. It's paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers power seamlessly to all four wheels. Despite its size, the motorhome handles beautifully thanks to Volvo's intelligent all-wheel drive system and adaptive cruise control. With lane centering assistance, the regenerative braking system helps recharge the hybrid battery while descending hills or slowing down in traffic. Fuel efficiency has been significantly improved compared to older models, giving you around 22 miles per gallon, which is quite remarkable for a luxury motorhome. Volvo has also included all its latest safety innovations. You get collision avoidance systems, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. There's even a rest mode that activates if the vehicle detects driver fatigue. It suggests the nearest rest stop and adjusts cabin lighting and temperature to help you relax. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome starts around $280,000 USD, depending on customization and configuration. With optional upgrades like the extended solar setup, off-road package, and luxury interior kit, it can go up to $350,000. But considering the technology, craftsmanship, and comfort you're getting, it's a fair price for one of the most advanced motorhomes ever built. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Volvo Motorhome combines Volvo's signature safety, premium comfort, and eco-friendly performance into one incredible package. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement, perfect for families, adventurers, and anyone who values freedom without compromise. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another detailed review from HB Car Review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.